Welcome. In front of me I have JBL Free X earphones, and I will show you how you can connect them with your Apple Watch. So the first, we have to simply open Bluetooth settings on our Apple Watch. Next, we have to turn on Bluetooth by tapping on the switcher, and then open charging case of the JBL Free X. But you have to remember that you have to charge them before pairing. When you open them, you have to remove the right earbud. It's very important to take off the right one, and keep holding. You don't have to press on any buttons. You have to just hold that earbud like that, and you have to take a look on the device's list. They will pop in a few seconds, so be patient and just wait. As you can see, they appear on the list, so we have to tap on them once. And after a few moments, we are connected. To synchronize both earbuds, you have to remove also this one from the case. As you can see, they are blinking, so it means that synchronize process is on the way. And after a few seconds, we are finally connected and we can listen through our earbuds. So as you can see, it was very simple. If you find this video helpful, remember to like, comment, and subscribe.